Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm super excited because I'll be showing you everything I got from my latest shopping haul. I'll be telling you the prices, and if you think it's worth it, can you let me know in the comment section? So if you love a good deal, make sure you stick to the end of this video. Okay, so let's start with this. I got this beautiful yellow cotton board for 1,959 naira. It can be used to cut your fruits, and I love it. And I got this silicone cake mold for 2,499 naira. I got two, by the way. This other one costs 2,199 naira. Let's say 2,200. Yeah. And I love it. I love the fact that it's silicone. I just like it's so beautiful. This cutting board cost 1,599 naira. By the way, red is my favorite color. I wish I saw other things in color red. I would have picked them. So next is this grater. I got it for 2,699. I love the fact that it has different sides and it can be used to cut different kind of veggies, maybe okra, potato, carrots, and yeah, that's my favorite part of this grater. I think it's a good buy. Next is this cool small plate. I really can't remember the price of this, so we're going to move to the next thing. I got this rolling pin for 3,299 naira. I got the spoon for 1,699 naira. I would have preferred it if it is silicone, but yeah, it's plastic. So same as this, same price. I wish it's silicone, but yeah, it's cool. Got this Christmas decor. Yeah, it's almost Christmas, so I got this for 1,999 naira, and I got this red one for 2,449 naira. I'm so excited. So it's for the Christmas tree. Got this Christmas cap for 1,749 naira. This cost 2,799 naira. Kitchen scissors cost 1,800 naira. This pillar cost 979 naira. I do have one like this, but it's spoiled. I got this transparent bowl for 4,299 naira. It's cute though. What do you think? I got this airtight plate to like store food in the freezer. I got one for 4,399 naira, and I got two of it. I really can't remember the price of this one, but yeah, I think it's cute too. Okay, so I got this basket for 4,999 naira, and I absolutely love this basket so much. And this other one, this flower basket for 6,699 naira. Yep. and this costs 3,299 naira. I would likely be storing fruits with this. I got two of these baskets that look so similar to each other, and one is 5,100 and the other one is 4,999 naira. I really don't know which one is 4,000 and which one is 5,000, but yeah, I love it. I love this one in particular. Yeah, can you see? So cute. So that's that. I got another pillar, and this cost 499 naira, like 500 naira. And this spoon cost 4,899 naira. This bottle costs 2,199 naira. This other one is a gift from the raffle draw, so it's just a gift. This cup costs 1,259 naira, and this cake mold cost 2,199 naira. And this Christmas headband is 1,399 naira. I just got it. And this toy cost 8,999 naira. I also got some balloons, and this is 995 naira. And these cute slippers. Oh my god, I love these slippers so much. This slippers cost, this Crocs, yeah, this Crocs cost 9,149 naira. It's so cute. Like, can you see? It's cute. I love it. This woven basket cost 7,189 naira. I really don't know what to do with this, but because it's cute. And this plush toy, oh, so cute. This toy costs 9,949 naira, and this flower costs 3,699 naira. I love the fact that it's pink. Yep. Yeah, I got this crayon as well. I really don't know the price of this. And this silicone glove costs 2,599 naira. I should have picked two, but I picked one. Maybe next time where I go back to the place, I'm going to just get one more, because I think it should be two, right? And this socks cost 649 naira each. Okay, so for this diffuser, I kind of got like up to like 345. So it's actually between 3,000 to 4,000. Those are the prices. So I really can't say which one is which one. This electric coffee turner, or maybe not for coffee alone, it costs 1,799. Yeah, this is one of the diffuser. Yeah, between 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 highest. This notebook costs 3,999 naira. This brush is part of the raffle draw gift. This air freshener costs 656 naira per one. The pen costs 319 naira. The cooking mold costs 799 naira. The pen, yeah, same price with the first one. And this notebook costs 399 naira. This glue 639 naira. Hey, that's all. Thank you so much for sticking to the end. Please kindly like this video and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be putting a comment on where I got all these items from in the comment section. Thank you. Bye.